Hi, this is Toya Santagruth, and I've been an EOI teacher for 15 years. And I created EOI por Libre to help you succeed at your EOI exam. How would you like to feel in your EOI speaking test? I bet you'd like to feel confident, to speak fluently, and at the same time use nice structures that you know are going to raise your score in a test. Would you like that? Of course you would, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare for your exam using a simple yet very effective strategy to use the structure, have something done in 5 different topics with clear, specific examples that you will be able to apply in your next EOI speaking test, even if you had it tomorrow. Can you believe that? Oh, and I have a gift for you to help you prepare for your EOI speaking and writing test. So make sure you watch it till the end to discover it, as I will tell you about it at the end of the video. Well, now let's get started, shall we? Imagine yourself for a minute in the exam, and you have just been given your card with your speaking task. You got the topic of housing and cities. Look, this is really simple. You'll see that it's almost as if Have Something Done had been created to express needs that so many of us have when we speak about housing. Or was it, maybe? For example, I'm really looking forward to having my kitchen renovated next summer. It's been quite a while since I started saving to have some improvements done to my home, and I'm really excited the moment has arrived. Or you could be asked to speak about your dream house. Most people dream about their dream home, that place that meets all your desires, when many times it is as simple as having some improvements done to your current home that will make all the difference. Or, when I get to have my dream house, I'll have it all painted in white. I love light and open spaces. Easy, right? Well, you'll see that with the gift I'm going to give you at the end of the video, you'll be able to plan your speaking with examples just like this. Imagine now that you have just been given your card with your speaking task, but this time you got the topic of recycling. It could actually be recycling or facilities and services in your city, town, or neighborhood. And you could say something like this: I guess the local authorities should have the rubbish collected more often if organic waste was thrown away separately, right? But let's now move on to our next topic, which is travel and transport. Imagine you have to speak about benefits of public transport, and you can say something like, the more you use public transport, the less you'll need to have your car serviced. As you can see, using public transport is all about benefits, right? If we had to speak about the environment, this is one of the most recurrent topics in EOI official exams, together with technology, education, and the news or current affairs. Speaking about the environment, you could use not only one, but 2 beautiful structures. I'll give you the example and then you tell me what the other structure was, right? A more and more popular and environmentally friendly way to improve your home is by having solar panels installed on your roof, or even having your electrical circuit audited to improve its performance, and which will in turn save you some money. And which was the other structure? Did you find it? Yes, the comparative structure, more and more. And I also used it in the previous example, but with a different form. Did you realize? I said, the more you use public transport, the less you'll need to have your car serviced. There are so many clear and simple examples of the structure, Have Something Done, for so many topics. And what about the topic of health? When we speak about health, very few candidates in exams realize how easy it would be to apply Have Something Done to this topic too. For instance, imagine you've been asked to speak about your sleep hygiene. You could go for something like, insomnia is a very common sleep disorder, so more and more people are having their sleep patterns identified by a sleep doctor in an attempt to improve their general well-being. Or alternatively, you could be asked to speak about your NHS, your National Health System, and you could come up with something like, the government could well have their NHS websites redesigned so they are more user-friendly. Maybe then it wouldn't be so frustrating to find the information you need. Piece of cake, isn't it? Well, as you could see, it's much easier than you think to plan your speaking or your writing strategically by using expressions and structures that will help you show off in your speaking test. Let's go back for a minute to what we saw in the video. We saw how to use the structure "have something done" in 5 different topics: housing and cities, recycling and services, travel and transport, the environment, and health. And now that we're getting to the end of the video, it's about time I gave you the 2 gifts that I have for you. The first gift is an exclusive template, as you can see here, to create your own examples that will come in real handy to prepare for your speaking and writing exam at the EOI, strategically, of course. You can download it by clicking the link below in the description of the video, next to the sentence, "Here is your gift," a template to use "have something done" in your EOI speaking and writing test. And remember, perfect practice makes perfect. So to make the most of it, make sure you download your gift and get down to work. The sooner the better. And my second gift to you is an exclusive mobile app where you can find videos, audios with their scripts about the EOI exam topics, speaking plans, readings, listenings, writing exam tasks to prepare for your EOI exam. And I'm 100% positive you're gonna love it. You can download it totally free just by clicking the link below in the description of the video and start using the free resources to prepare effectively, to save time, to find guides, strategies, and high-quality resources that can't be found anywhere else. If you liked this video, please leave me a comment below, anything, so more people can find it and benefit from it. And if you want to watch more high-quality content like this, it's as simple as subscribing to the channel and activating the bell so you can be notified when our next video is released. Keep up with the hard work and see you soon.